Hi, today I'm making a wholesome, gluten-free teff pilaf with vegetables and warm spices. Teff is a tiny ancient grain that's naturally high in fiber, rich in minerals, and keeps you full longer than rice, yet most people have never cooked it at home. Welcome to Cooking Show at Home. You'll find the full ingredient list in the description below. If you enjoy simple, healthy recipes from around the world, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Peel and dice the vegetables. You'll need 1 medium onion, 2 small carrots or 1 medium carrot, 1/4 of a butternut squash. You can replace it with 1 medium zucchini. Four to 5 button mushrooms, 2 cloves of garlic, add 1/2 cup of olive oil to a Dutch oven or a thick-walled saucepan and heat it over medium heat. Start sautéing with the onion and garlic until translucent, about 2 minutes. Add the carrot and sauté for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the squash and finally the mushrooms. Next, stir in the spices. 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, turmeric, coriander, and smoked paprika. Add 1 cup of teff, rinsed under cold water using a fine mesh strainer. Toast the teff together with the vegetables and spices for about 1 minute without adding any liquid. This helps bring out a deeper, nuttier flavor. Pour in 2 cups of vegetable broth, bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover with a lid. Let the teff pilaf simmer for about 20 minutes. While it cooks, finely chop about 1/2 cup of fresh cilantro or parsley. When the pilaf is ready, turn off the heat. Add the chopped herbs and the juice of 1/2 a lemon. Fluff the pilaf gently. Serve warm as a side dish or a light vegetarian entree. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this easy and nutritious teff pilaf recipe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Cooking Show at Home for more delicious vegetarian and gluten-free recipes. See you in the next video, and happy cooking!